Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where architectural innovation meets the charm of rural America. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore a one-of-a-kind dwelling nestled in the picturesque town of Tivoli, New York. Behold, the container house in Tivoli, a testament to modern design and sustainable living. Join us as we uncover the story behind this extraordinary home where recycled materials and cutting-edge design converge to create a harmonious living space. From its conception to its completion, every aspect of the container house in Tivoli embodies the spirit of innovation and reverence for the environment. Just a stone's throw from the village of Tivoli and the magnificent Hudson River, this artistic container home impresses with its style and execution. The home is sometimes referred to as the Cornillon shipping container house after its previous owner and builder artist Arnaud Cornillon. A 9-acre expanse of field and forest is the setting for the home, with hundreds of acres more just down the street at the Tivoli Bay's wildlife management area. So while you're secluded in nature, you're just a short trip from cultural opportunities like restaurants, art installations, and Bard College. The design of this home is a hybrid arrangement with a central living area built on a concrete slab that is surrounded by a total of 7 containers. On the ground floor, there are 2 40-foot containers and 1 20-foot container, one of which fully contains the kitchen while another juts out as a covered indoor-outdoor dining area. There's also an entrance, guest half bathroom, and other smaller spaces. More interesting is the porch with livestock trough-turned pool, plus a relaxing garden with seating. The previously mentioned central living area connects the various ground floor spaces together. Here you've got massive sliding glass windows on both sides, plus skylights above letting light cascade throughout the space. As you ascend the staircase with huge wooden timbers for treads, you enter the narrow double-height portion of the home between 2 of the 4 second-floor containers. This area lets you see down into the living room from the stair landing while providing a light passage. At this level, you'll find all of the home's 3 bedrooms, each with porch features and incredible views of the property. Plus, there are 2 full bathrooms on the second floor as well. Taken as a whole, the home clearly has the touch of an artistic designer. Features push out from the home's envelope in all directions like arms reaching for the trees. This container home refuses to stay in a plain rectangular form and seemingly bursts with energy, color, and light. One of our favorite features is the indoor-outdoor patio dining area. This container has 2 side cutouts plus an open end, so you'll get great breezes and views in all directions, yet are completely shielded from the weather. And the beautiful back porch is just a step or 2 away. The home is very livable too, with radiant heating embedded in the polished cement floors of the ground level, and ceiling fans throughout that push air from the various window openings. The livability is perhaps why this home was a fixture on Airbnb, delighting numerous guests to the Hudson Valley area. That attention to natural details is evident in the finished home. The galley kitchen faces east because Cornillon enjoys making his morning coffee in a room flooded with light, while the home's living room faces southwest, a location that makes the most of the sunset's golden hour. It took Cornillon 6 years to build the house. He's not an architect, nor did he start with endless funds to complete his ambitious project. Having worked for almost 30 years as a decorative painter, Cornillon more than once ran out of money during construction. He also faced multiple major health issues that threatened to derail his project. Nor was it easy to get a loan on a container house, despite their growing popularity. The house mostly consists of containers now painted a soft black, but the home also features a balcony and entrance sections clad in wood. Vines on a trellis soften the home's entrance and a playful wooden plank leads to the deck. Cornillon initially worried that the white interiors of the shipping containers would look cold and perhaps too brutally industrial, but the corrugated material surprised him by looking almost like a curtain. Light ripples across the undulating metal walls and, as shadows travel across the room, provides the illusion of texture. The home's most distinctive feature, and also his favorite, is the sculptural living room staircase, composed of a steel frame with thick chunks of hemlock wood on either side. It rises into a gap in the assembled containers. In colder weather, the home is heated by a wood-burning fireplace plus radiant heating under the polished concrete floors. The expansive terrace becomes an extra room in warm weather, an outdoor entertaining space with sunset views. A fire pit with circular stone seating is also positioned to enjoy the evening view, while an open-ended shipping container serves as an outdoor dining space. In Cornillon's childhood home, entertaining often involved dining outdoors. However, the original owners eventually were ready to move on to other projects and put the home for sale in 2019. It sold for $735,000 on October 31, 2019, and the new owners no longer provide the home as a short-term rental. Cornillon sold the house to Lori Greenberg. Still, the home is an inspiration to container home fans around the world. And perhaps one day it will once again open its doors to visitors who hope to see the unique construction in person. As the sun sets on our exploration of the container house in Tivoli, New York, we bid farewell to this captivating journey. From its innovative design to its idyllic setting, this architectural marvel has left an indelible mark on our hearts and minds. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the inspirations and aspirations behind this architectural gem, only here on Alvinsa Studio. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through the realms of sustainable living and modern architecture. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content from Alvinsa Studio. Until next time, embrace creativity, cherish nature, and live beautifully. Farewell from Alvinsa Studio.